After driving to the campsite, I got installed at my tent. Here's a view of the Boulevard. And here's the Jam TV tent. I met some other people there. They were crazy good at building tents. They had built many tents. And here's a time lapse of them setting up their 8th tent, I think. Or maybe it was the 9th, I don't know. They were very proficient at it anyway. Here's another view of the Boulevard. The Jam TV tent in the middle, sort of. Here's the hospital. Good to know. This is the camp meadow, one of the camp meadows, I should say. Here's a very happy volunteer. And here's some building volunteers. They are drilling holes to put poles in around the dream tent. No, not the dream tent, the dream tree. And it's very, very beautiful at night. But I didn't film it for you because I think you should probably experience it in real life instead. Here's they're putting up the poles around the dream tent, and now they scatter. Thanks a lot for watching. Please leave a like and consider subscribing. Bye now.
Dobby is a free scout.